Do you want to know how I make this nice looking plantain? Come along with me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are feeling great. My name is Sade. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my plantain in the oven. If you know you don't like fried food, this is another option for you to make your plantain. And make sure you give it a try. I know you are going to love it. And let me know in the comment section. So, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up. That will really be helpful to this channel. So guys, I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. So guys, continue watching. Ciao.